show. Your little tummy's growling like it's Jacob from Twilight. Don't give up, it's not your end. There is a little Scottish friend for about $4, it's in your hands. The Super Bay 50 loves you, even when you don't think so. You can know they have beef and cheeses all the time, 11 to 9. It will never be a bummer, don't you hunger? They have beef and cheeses. After all your fries are gone and your pants no longer fit on, you could know with all honesty, double bacon's for me. 50 loves you, even when you don't think so. You can know they have beef and cheeses all the time, 11 to 9. It will never be a bummer, don't you hunger? They have beef and cheeses. Hold on with all you got. Wash it down with a gallon of pop and make the most of your 450. Go down and spend it in thrift days. 50 loves you. You can trust that little Scottish man, Super Ham. He has beef and cheeses. 50 loves you, even when you don't think so. You can know they have beef and cheeses all the time, 11 to 9. It will never be a bummer, don't you hunger? They have beef and cheeses. The Super Scottish man, he's got beef and cheeses. No, 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 no. No, 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 beef and cheeses. It's a double bacon.
Double bacon.
Whoa. What does it mean?
I don't know, it's intense.
It's intense. A double bacon. All the way. The whole way. Whoa! It's a double bacon. Whoa. I think it's almost a triple bacon.
Triple bacon?
Oh man, what does this even mean? What does this mean? Oh, I think I'm gonna cry about double bacon. Whoa. Oh, it almost knocked me down. You need to be here. Oh.